Everybody loves a crostini when the people come in, or even for lunch, you make some great crostinis, and that's it. And they're very easy to make. So we're gonna make some crostini with some great tomatoes, and of course, when they're in season and they're wonderful, they're the best. A nice ripe tomato, but it has to have some body, you know, not too overripe. And dice it up. Some great tomatoes, and then olives, you know, always great olives. You know, green olives, the big meaty ones, whether it's Castelvetrano or Cerignola, with the pit on, because that's when the olives really retain the flavor. Peel them right off the pit. Sometimes, you know, they kind of loosen up if you just whack them, and then you can just kind of squeeze the pit out. Let's toss this together, because this is what we're going to top the crostini. A little bit of oil, salt, a little peperoncino, some basil right in there. I'm looking, do we have enough? Yeah, I think that's enough. And now let's cut the bread. Let's see if we'll like this. A nice country loaf. We can go on the other side. Okay. That one looks good. This one I'll cut in half and just put it on a baking sheet, just like that. Okay. Some oil, we'll brush the bread with the oil. Okay. The bread is flavored. Let's put some of the great tomatoes and green olives. That looks good. And now, just simple ricotta. You put a little bit on top, just like that, and it will melt as the tomatoes cook. Okay, I'm checking out. Maybe this one could use a little more. This one. Okay, just a drizzle of the oil. Okay, you preheat your oven at 375 degrees, and you put this in, and in about 20 minutes, when it's nice and crisp, it'll be done and ready to serve. Well, it looks quite good. The ricotta is nice and crusty, the bread is crusty. This is something that you don't need for the tomatoes to really cook and bubble. But just like this, they're kind of warm, half-cooked. The ricotta is warm and crusty, and everything looks delicious. You know, you want to kind of present it at the table. Let's do maybe family style. Just like that sits at your table for dinner and is presented with a little one like that to begin with should be very happy. So let me taste it for you. Simple and good. Crunchy bread, a little bit of olive, nice tomatoes, basil with a little ricotta. All the elements of a perfect crostini.